Hi, this is Eric Nathan, Master Floor Service in Los Angeles, California, and today I'm going to explain to you a floating floor, laminate floor. One thing that you want to get is some padding, underlayment for your floating floor. You want to set it up underneath where the floor is going to go and roll it out in the area of the flooring that you're going to be doing. Now, one thing that you got to understand about laminate flooring is you don't really need glue, which is an additive thing for the do-it-yourselfers, because it's a click floor and you click the pieces together. Now, this is a piece of laminate flooring right here. Okay. Now, understand, laminate is not wood. It's a pressed material created in a manufacturer to look like wood. You know, it has a tongue and groove that clicks together. So basically, you put your pieces out, you want to stagger your joints, and you bring your next piece, and you click it in, and push it down, bringing the pieces together. And you continue your way up and down throughout the floor. Once again, staggering your joints. It's a pretty simple floor to do. A lot of homeowners like using the laminate flooring because another thing too is that when you're done and you move out of your house or whatnot, you can pull your floor back up. It unclicks very easily and you can take it with you. My name's Eric, Master Floor Service in Los Angeles, California. Thank you very much.